Why does your scanner show the P2030 engine code? What does it mean? P2030 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel-fired heater performance. The P2030 code indicates the PCM detects that the auxiliary heater is not heating properly due to a temperature or sensor fault. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Bad temperature sensor, faulty glow, plug or igniter, fuel injector issues, wiring problems, control module glitches. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Mercedes-Benz, Hyundai, and Hino. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.